Are you looking for the easiest way to prepare your rock buns? Then this video is for you. Trust me, this is the perfect and absolutely delicious way you can get it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome to my kitchen where we share easy recipes, and I am pretty sure that you will like it here. So please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. Just look at that, absolutely soft, fluffy, and it was so delicious. To start with it, I have 2 sticks of butter, and that will be a cup of butter. I've added 1/4 cup of sugar. That was brown sugar. You can use white or any type that you want. Okay, when making it, you bring your butter out so that it can at least melt small or become a bit soft. Now mix everything, and then this is what we have. I will ensure that everything is well mixed. Should you don't have the mixture, the mixer, you can just use your palm to rub or to mix the sugar and then the butter together. It will also help, and you will get that perfect outcome. That was what I used to use, okay, before I even got to know that we have something called mixer. Okay, yes, now that is how it looks, and we are just going to bring everything together and then add the next ingredients. The next ingredient we are going to add is 3 eggs. You can use any quantity that you want to add, okay, but with this recipe it requires 3 eggs, or we are going to use 3 eggs. If you add less eggs, then it means you have to add more liquid to it so that you can get that perfect outcome. Now we will go ahead and then mix everything, and then we are good to go. If you've watched me till this point, I have considered that you like what you are watching. I'll be very happy if you like the video, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much. I'll go ahead and then add my milk to that. It will be very advisable if you add the milk or the liquid you'll be adding, you add it to it bit by bit so that you won't end up preparing cake, but you end up preparing rock buns. Okay, yes, so this is where we've gotten to, and as you can see, we have achieved beautiful butter. Okay, now I'll go ahead and then add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Mix it very well. I added more of the whole milk. Mix it very well before, if you have any other ingredients, you proceed and add. Okay, so that is what we are doing. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. We share recipes that are very easy. Trust me, you will love them. So kindly follow us for more videos everywhere. Now I added the flour to it bit by bit, so we are done adding everything. Okay, if you want short videos or short recipes that are less than a minute or a minute videos, kindly follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and then YouTube Shorts. Just look at the butter we have achieved. So beautiful. That is what we are looking for. Okay, now I am just going to scoop some and then put it in my muffin pan, then we can start baking. As I talk to you right now, my oven is at 350 Fahrenheit, so we are preheating it. Okay, if you don't have spoon, which I know very well that everyone has spoon, you can just use your hand to scoop it. You can use anything to scoop it. Okay, yes, but if you don't have spoon or anything at home, you can just use your hand to scoop it, and then you are good to go. Now we are going to fill in everything and then we bake it. Let's put this in the oven, and after 30 minutes our rock buns is ready. Just look at that. This was absolutely good, fluffy, soft, not hard, but looks so delicious. Just look at that. We really enjoyed this, and it got finished within some few minutes. Just try this recipe, and trust me, you will fall in love with it. Just follow it, okay? Yes, thank you so much for watching till this point. I am so grateful for your time, and please do not forget to share the video to others so that they can also subscribe to our channel. So I come your way next time. Always remember that you have to love yourself first, and I love you so much. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.